This is how to add money to AirTM. In this video, I'll be walking you through various AirTM deposit methods. Please note that this video is sponsored by AirTM. With my partnership with AirTM, you'll be able to create your account, especially if you are new. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, and you are going to get a free $3 sign-up bonus. You will only get that money if you meet AirTM conditions. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. You see, I'm working on something very big for you to be the first to know, so that you can take advantage of it. Use the link below the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel. But what are the various ways you can add money to AirTM? Let me show you. So for you to add funds to your account on AirTM, you can see I currently have nothing in my account. For you to know that, you click here. See, it's zero balance. For you to add funds to your account, you click add. Look at it. John, which payment method do you want to use? You come down here to search for different payment method that you can use. You click search payment method. You can add funds to your bank account. If you click bank, you see different banks from different countries. All you need to do is to put in your country. Like I'm in Nigeria. You can see you can add funds through Nigeria local bank using Nigeria Naira, through Nigeria domiciliary account, that is your dollar account in Nigeria. You can use it to add money to your wallet on AirTM. By the time you click any one of these, suppose you click that. Suppose you want to add 20,000 Nigeria Naira. You can see this is what you get. You get over $12. You click continue. You select the bank you want to use. Suppose I'm using this bank. You see the details of the bank. You click continue. You submit the request. As soon as you submit the request, this app will link you to somebody you will transfer 20,000 Nigeria Naira to. As soon as the person gets the 20,000 Nigeria Naira, the person will release this amount, $12.47, to your account on AirTM. As soon as you click submit request, you can add money through cash. All you need to do is to click cash. For instance, you can use Western Union to add money to your AirTM. You just select the one that is applicable to your country. You can also use cryptos. You click crypto. I've done multiple videos about how to use crypto, different cryptos, to add money to your AirTM. So these are different cryptos. You can use Binance Coin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. You can use Coinbase. You can use Dogecoin. All you just need to do is to select any of the coin of your choice, Ethereum, any of these crypto that you have, or exchanges like KuCoin. You can see this Litecoin, OKS exchange. You can use Pay card to add money to AirTM. This is how to use debit card to deposit money to your AirTM account. All you just need to do is to click debit card. You look for your country. You see a list of your country in this place. I'm in Nigeria. This is Nigeria. Debit credit card in Nigeria. By the time you tap it, you follow the step-by-step process. You type the amount you want to deposit. Suppose you want to deposit $25. The minimum you can do is $20. You click continue. It will take you to another website, MoonPay. Then you'll be able to complete the process. Some country may not be able to use MoonPay. You can also use gift cards to fund your AirTM account. All you need to do is to click gift card. There are different gift cards that you can use to fund your account on AirTM. All you need to do is to select the kind of gift card you have. You can use Steam, you can use Starbucks, you can use PlayStation gift cards, Netflix gift cards, you can use iTunes, you can use Fortnite, eBay, you can use Airbnb, you can use Amazon, you can use eBay, you can use Fortnite, you can use Google Play, you can use iTunes. But this is my favorite card that I always use, and I've done multiple videos for on this website. That is Amazon gift cards. Usually I use Amazon.com, this one, because I get them for free most of the time online. All you just need to do is to select the kind of card you want. Suppose you only want one card, you select the type you want, you put the amount of the card, you follow the process, and the value of the gift card will be loaded into your AirTM. Watch this video. The link of this video will come out. It will take you through how to fund your AirTM account with any gift cards online. And in that video, you also see how to get free gift cards and how I get them with proof on a regular basis. Another way to fund your AirTM account is through various mobile money payment platforms. You click here. There are so many of them. You can fund your AirTM through Apple Pay, Airtel Bank, Airtel Money. You can use Clipper Cash. You can use Cash App. The one that you can use mainly from Nigeria is MTN Nigeria. Just select your country. You see MTN Nigeria. You just select it. You can use MTN Momo mobile app to fund your AirTM account. It's very instant and it works like ordinary bank. I did a video of how I withdraw from AirTM to my MTN mobile app in Nigeria. Another way to fund your AirTM account is through e-wallet. Click e-wallet. These are different e-wallets that you can use irrespective of your country. You can use Alipay, you can use FaceBank. These are popular e-wallet platform that you can use. You can use Payoneer, you can use Payoneer, you can use Skrill. I've done videos about most of these platforms. You can use Uphold, you can use Swap, you can use Sele, you can use Zoom. So you just tap any of your choice and you follow the process and you get the fund transfer from this e-wallet to your wallet on AirTM. You can now deposit money to AirTM with various methods. All you need to do is to start using this platform. And when you do, AirTM has different ways to reward you. And you can also make money with the platform. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, join my WhatsApp channel. Also, watch the next video. You will see how you can take advantage of AirTM to make money online. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.